What is up guys, Tanner the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your credit card from your Shopify. So first you need to head over to your Shopify's website and then you need to log in with your account credential. After that, when you're redirected to the home page, on the left side, you will see the option of settings. Simply click on settings and then click on payments. And after clicking on payments, here you will open the payment section, and in the payment section here at the top, you will see all your activated payments. Simply click on that. And after that, if you have activated the payment through your card, simply deactivate it. And after that, this will ask you to delete it. And after that, simply click on the delete button to delete your card payment. If you don't see the option of delete, you can just temporarily deactivate your payment. As you can see, this is my test payment. You just simply need to click on turn this toggle off, and then the payment will be deactivated. So this is how you can temporarily deactivate or delete your credit card payments on Shopify. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.